prepare. I like this. First, put your heart into it. Love what you do, what you are doing. And it shows how Melissa loved the product and love sharing it and love, right, talking about the benefit of the product. Reach out to whom, right? First to our family, friends, relatives. Get that. If we don't share our product to others, how we benefit with the product, it will not do anything else for us in terms of the business. By sharing, it will also create our confidence, our love of our product. Engage. How? Right? Be interested. Right? Consumers sometimes they don't know. They don't even hear about Atomy. They don't even know about our great products that we have in here. So just tell people, right? What product do you use? What is the benefit of the product? Especially if the product is shown into us, like Melissa says, what she shared it to us earlier. So just engage, tell other people. Here is another part. Press on, persevere. Of course, some other people will not believe to us to begin with. But will we stop sharing our product, telling about how good, telling about our online shopping mall? No. This will require a lot of sacrifice for us to begin with and hard work. Okay, so let's work harder every single day. Work harder to learn, right? To develop our knowledge and also our experience with our product. Every single day, we can also assess. What kind of assess? Why we are doing this? What is our benefit of doing this? Maybe the question of how really to do this effectively and where we are going to, where this business will lead us to in the days to come. Again, after learning about this, it is not still effective. Every single day we are still getting a lot of challenges. Maybe challenges in terms of our daily lives, or maybe challenges in terms of engaging into others, right? Maybe challenges of reaching out to others because we don't know what kind of benefit of the product that they are asking for. So let's reevaluate ourselves. Right? Every single day, and I mentioned earlier, do I know much about Atomy? No, not yet. But I keep on learning every single day. Do I make mistakes of doing this business? Yes, I do. So let's reevaluate ourselves. It is not about those people that we talk with. It is about ourselves that we cannot connect right properly to them in terms of our sharing, in terms of our communication. So here we are. When we do this every single day, reevaluating ourselves, reassess what kind of communication, reassess why are we really sacrificing ourselves in here, this will give us empowerment as well, right? Review, reassess, reevaluate. This will give us a lot of thoughts, empowerment to ourselves. But what is the bottom line? Okay? What is the bottom line? The why. Why we are doing, why we need Atomy, why we are looking for our future. What you learn, what we teach to others, what we pass on to others, what we build us to be a strong, knowledgeable person that will lead us into a good leaders and a partners here in Atomy. So make sure we learn, we share, we pass on any information into our next people, next generation. Those people that we haven't talked about Atomy, they don't know Atomy, right? Those people that still are in there that still need the product. As Melissa mentioned, we must be the problem solution. We have the knowledge, we have the product, so let's share to others, okay? Pass on the right Atomy system to others.